In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively troubleshoot and resolve issues with your Wallet app. Whether your app is running slow, not responding, or has any unexpected glitches, these steps should help you get back on track. To start, one of the simplest yet often most effective solutions is turning your device off and then back on again. This age-old trick works by refreshing your device's memory and closes any apps running in the background that could be causing conflicts with your Wallet app. Press and hold the power button, choose power off, and once your device is completely powered down, give it about 15 seconds before turning it back on. This brief pause ensures that everything is settled, allowing your device to start fresh. If that doesn't solve the problem, another tried and true step is to restart your device. Unlike simply turning it off and on, restarting allows the phone's software to reboot completely, tackling any minor software glitches. It's as simple as holding down the power button until you see the restart option, then selecting it and allowing your device a moment to sort itself out. It might take a minute or two, but hang in there, as this could very well do the trick. Assuming the issue still persists, our next step is to clear the data within the Wallet app. To do this, locate your Wallet app on your home screen. Press and hold the app's icon until a menu pops up. Here, you'll want to select the Info or I icon, which will take you to the app's settings page. Once you're on the app settings page, look for the Storage option and click on it. This section shows you how much data and cache your app has accumulated over time. Clearing the data effectively resets the app to its default state, much like a factory reset, but just for that particular app. By clicking on Clear Data, you're allowing the app to start fresh without any stored data that might be corrupt or causing issues. Once you have clicked Clear Data, head back to your home screen and open the Wallet app again. At this point, because you've cleared its data, you may need to sign in again and reconfigure some of your preferences within the app. Be sure to check for any updates or new notifications, as sometimes updates can resolve ongoing issues as well. Just following these simple steps should enhance the performance and functionality of your Wallet app. Remember, technology isn't perfect, and sometimes it just needs a little nudge to get things working smoothly again. Thanks for joining me today, and keep these tips in mind for the next time your app decides to give you a little trouble.